Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Ballantrae, Ontario, a quiet community in the township of Whitchurch-Stouffville. This area was first settled in the early 1800s, as families cleared land for farming and built small homesteads. Ballantrae got its name from a village in Scotland, chosen by settlers who wanted to carry a piece of their homeland to Canada. Over the years, the community grew around farming, forestry, and small local businesses. The nearby forests and lakes made it a natural spot for recreation and outdoor living. Today, Ballantrae is known for its peaceful neighborhoods, golf courses, and access to beautiful trails. Whether you're here to explore nature, learn about its history, or simply enjoy the quiet pace of life, Ballantrae has something to share. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ballantrae, Ontario. Thanks for watching!